Hi, I'm Dr. Robert D. McDonald, the creator of the Destination Method. My wife, Dr. Lizette, and I have created the Telos Healing Center. We have offices here in Southern California and also in Europe, in Holland. I wanted to mention to you about the Destination Method. You may be interested in, well, what are the issues that we don't work with? Because it'd be a waste of your time and energy to contact us if we don't work with the particular issue. So in general, I can say that since I haven't worked in a psychiatric hospital, mental hospital, I really don't know what to do with serious psychiatric illnesses such as a diagnosis like schizophrenia, serious bipolar disorder, people who have very in-depth obsessive compulsive disorder, multiple personality disorder. I don't do those things. I have been able to send people who are sincerely interested in dealing with those issues to some of our coaches who are licensed, for example, licensed medical doctors. Our dear friend and the director of our Destination Method in Europe, he's the one who directs the Telos Healing Center. He's worked because he's a medical doctor, he worked with a woman who wanted to have children, but she was on serious psychiatric medication and told that she could never get off of it. And he worked with her and he helped her to resolve the issues that had generated that. She got off that medication and she had children, and she's very, very happy. The medical community said that was impossible, but he, being a medical doctor, he just said, well, he disagreed, and he found the results there. Also, we have one of our coaches in Louisiana, Maddie Savoy, who's a licensed professional counselor. In her capacity as a licensed therapist, she worked with somebody who had multiple personality disorder, and she was helped that person to resolve that particular disorder. Now, that's not something I've done. I've just taught those people the nature of the mind and the structure of the mind and what can be done to help people alter their minds and therefore alter the chemistry in their body and alter their experience, their mental health. So there are many things that I can't do. Maybe they can be done by somebody else, but I think it's important to understand the limitations as I see it. The Destination Method is really intended to help the average person who has issues that most everyone carries. What I've carried in my life, issues around shocking experiences, traumatic memories, grief. I'm very happy about our ability to resolve grief. Many people believe that grief can't be resolved, but even though I wrote my master's thesis many, many years ago on survivors of suicide, on grief felt by the survivors of suicide, and I knew what was believed in those days, which is that couldn't be solved, it can be solved. Grief can be resolved actually right away. So this is something we can do. But there are limitations, and I wanted to let you know about that, and we're very upfront about it. Thanks so much for watching.